On today's video, we are going to look at the new color on the Mustang. This was supposed to be the full unveiling of the car, but it's not completely together because I ran out of time. This video is going to be posted on my birthday. I figured I could get people from Instagram and Facebook to maybe come over and watch. Or if you're watching because you're a YouTube subscriber, thanks for showing up. I really appreciate it, and thank you for being supportive. But anyway, I know you're all here. You just want to see the color. So let's unveil the color, and yeah.